Hey guys, Kim here with Kicking It with Kim. About to do an unboxing from Goodfair, a sustainable company that does upcycled clothing. So I ordered pre-loved hoodies in a set of 4, and then I did the pre-loved t-shirts in a set of 5. And then there's supposed to be 1 puffer vest in here. Super cheap. I love recycling. So let's go ahead and open this up. I have been so excited to get this, and let me tell you guys, it was super fast. I think I ordered this on Thursday, and today is Sunday, and it was here today. So that was really fast delivery. All right. So here's a sweatshirt, secondhand, not second rate, wash before wearing. I did size large in these, in the shirts, and so this is a nice green. I can probably do a cool tie-dye with this. It's got some paint on it, I think. Holy crap, this is a huge vest. It's a man's vest, so I can donate that if I don't really like it, and I don't know, we'll see how I like it and how it fits. But a large vest. Let's see what else. Okay, so here's the t-shirts. Here's a cute little Goodfair sticker. Put on my water bottle. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, I already see something in the box that I think I'm gonna love. So some t-shirts. Just junking around. Hard Rock Cafe t-shirt in a large from Cozumel, Mexico. So I can tie-dye some of these, cut them up, use them a soccer t-shirt. I just think this is such a great idea because so many clothes go to the landfill. And it's just a way to upcycle and recycle clothing. So this says Lake Fenton Blue Devils Coach. Oh, I'm gonna like this one. I love good hoodies. Got a volleyball. It says Coach, even though I'm not a coach. But this has Colorado on it, so this is awesome. Since I'm in Colorado, 14ers, Colorado. I've probably done some of these. I will have to look at them. Maybe like one of them. 14ers, let's see. Castle Peak, Mount Yale. Yeah. I think I've done, maybe one of them. Mount Elbert, I'll have to look. But that's really cool that I got a Colorado sweatshirt and I live in Colorado. So it's awesome. So that was the unboxing. Hope you like it. I know it was short and fast, but I was just so excited to open it and I wanted to share it on here. So I hope you're having a great Sunday or a great day. I'll probably post this today. And don't forget to, if you like my video, click subscribe and like, and leave any comments that you have with questions. And then also if you want to get new or get notifications on when I post these videos, click the bell, which is next to subscribe. So hope you're having a great day, and I will talk to you all later. Bye.